Hi, this is Rich Ramsey with You Never Die Entertainment, and today we're going to have a tutorial on how to make two player sizes for your HTML5 video. So, like so, just two different player sizes. All this entails is creating a second identical web page in your server, simply changing the size of the video and putting a link on the bottom of it, like this, to switch back and forth. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Open up a text editor like Notepad. Let's find the video page that you want to change the video on. And mine is going to be tutorial screen. Find it right here. This is the video that I'm going to want to change. So we take this page and all we do is copy the whole page, like so. And then we open up a new page. And paste the first page on top of it. So this is an identical web page as the page that our video is on that we want to have a second size to it. We'll find the video tags with the width and the height. So we'll change it from 640 to 853 for the width. And the height will go from 360 to 480. Then all we simply need to do is add a link underneath the video, linking it back to the page with the smaller video size. I have a cheat sheet right here with my link on it. It's a simple HTML link. I'm sure you can do better with CSS, but I want to make this tutorial as basic as possible. So we'll simply call it, put a little bit of text in there, decrease player size, and we'll link it to our web page, which is called Toot Screen. Now we save this as a new page. We'll call it Big Toot Screen. Make sure to give it a HTML following. Save it. And go back to your original page. Now all you have to do on the original page is just put a link underneath the video, linking it to the bigger player. Which we call Big Toot Screen. Toot is short for tutorial. And it's increased player size. So we'll save it. We'll go to our file host, our server. Find both of our pages. We're going to update the first page that we added the link to, the original page. We're going to find the additional page that we just created. Wait for it to show up inside our server. Here it is right here. We're going to load that in. And make sure both our files are in there. Go to our original page and refresh. And here we have the added link right here, increase player size. Push on the link, and here we have the bigger player. Now this comes in handy for as far as embeds, because not all browsers right now support full screen on HTML5, especially not when it's embedded. So if you just add this simple little option to where people can increase and decrease, Also, if your video is embedded and you include this link in the embed, this will take the people to an outside screen as opposed to it being embedded, and then they can play the full screen. So it comes in handy. I'm sure the geniuses making JavaScript right now will come up with a simple plugin to implement this, but until then, we have an easy way to make 2 player sizes. And be sure you can always visit my site at standupcomedy.me/tutorials/HTML5 video to see a bunch of cool options that I had tutorials for. They're all in writing, step by step, even the 2 player size if you want to come and read how to do it and do it step by step. If you want to teach somebody how to set up a HTML5 video player, I have a tutorial for that. And here are some other cool options. You can add a music player to your HTML5 video player, a social link, an embed link, a playlist link, and switch from HD and SD. This is a pretty crude form and the video goes back to the beginning, but it works as far as switching between 2 sources. And first and foremost, if you come to this page, watch my film Woggy. It's about a man that moves to Los Angeles seeking fame and fortune, but he ends up on Hollywood Boulevard taking photos for donations with tourists in a dinosaur costume. I think it's very funny. And just one last thing, with all of those options that I just showed you, you can actually build your own embeddable player, which people can have on their site, which can show all of your films, just like on one video, if you implement the playlist feature that I just showed you. So we can increase our player size now and have 2 sizes. And it's all well and good, and it's all in a day's work. I hope this has been helpful to you, and take care.